As India continues its progressive march in the new millennial, more and more women are joining the defence services. Today, we take you on a visit to the nursery, where girls are groomed for a career in the services. The Rani Lakshmibai Mulinchi Sainiki Shala. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Commandant, the Principal and the staff, I welcome you all to the RLMSS Pune. The RLMSS is the nursery for developing leadership in young girls wanting to serve in the Indian Armed Forces. Vidya Balanja Upasva is the motto of all Sainik schools in Maharashtra. And we at RLMSS believe that it is knowledge and courage that needs to be the cornerstone for all aspiring women officers. The Rani Lakshmibai Mulinchi Sainiki Shala, established in 1997, is the first girls' Sainiki school started by the Maharashtra Education Society. The first batch with just 40 cadets started in a borrowed premises of the MES school in Kothrud. Soon, the school shifted to a sprawling 30-acre campus at Pirangut. The new campus is well equipped to provide the best academic and physical training for future officers. Today, the academy is the host to 650 girl cadets, starting from Standard 6 to Standard 12 with 2 divisions per standard. The academy is divided into 4 houses: Lakshmi, Durga, Ahilya and Jizamata. At the time of admission, every girl cadet is assigned to a house which will be their extended family till their passing out. Depending on the house, each cadet is sent to the dorm belonging to that house. Each dorm is well equipped with all residential needs and is supervised by a lady warden. A typical day in a cadet's life begins at 0500 hours with the Revile, followed by a short break of 5 minutes at 5:20 for morning biscuits, sprouts or dates. The PT period starts at 5:30 and a 20-minute break is taken at 6:15 for a quick wash and change, followed by a dash to the mess at 6:40 for a hurried breakfast. The General Assembly bell is at 7:15. The academic session begins at 7:30 and ends at 12:30 with a short break in between. The school is well equipped with a library, labs and computer labs. Lunch break is at 12:30, followed by a rest period till 14:15. At 14:15 is another round of academics for cadets preparing for competitive exams. The strenuous military training begins at 15:15. This includes karate, obstacle course, rifle firing, archery, horse riding and drill. Besides this, cadets are also taken on visits to other defense establishments for familiarization. The academy also holds camps and trekking expeditions for the senior cadets to turn out cadets worthy of becoming officers in the services. After the arduous military training, the cadets break for a shower and prayers at 18:30. After a quick dinner at 19:30, the students catch up with the day's learning in the self-study period between 20 to 22 hours. At 22:15, it is a lights out as the already tired girls climb into their bed with one dream of taking the final step and donning the uniform with the stars on their shoulders.